Hey there, I'm Wilter Monteiro, founder of Tagbly. Before we continue, please consider this is a prototype. Tagbly is an acronym to Text, Audio, Graphics Assembly. It means interactive video. Let me show you how it works. Now, I'm showing this cute airplane model on your screen. In a normal video, you can't interact with it, but here you can. Try it out. I'll pause the presentation so you have more time to interact with it. Hit play when you're ready to continue. In the next example, I went to a park and took a 360 photo. You can rotate it and explore the 360 while I'm speaking. As a presenter, I can direct you to the city center. Not only the audience can control it, creators can control everything, from angles to the play button. Let me pause again so you can explore more if you want. You might think that synchronizing everything is a lot of work. Even with me being a programmer, coding this is no simple task. Well, that's the point of Tagbly. Easy to create, easy to consume. I want everyone having the power to create interactive presentations. To create a simple presentation, we need to use complex video editing software programs. And the final result is a heavy data file with little room to post editing content or annotations. With Tagbly, I just connected a mic and started talking. When it was time to show the 3D model, I pushed the model to the viewer area. The same happened to the 360 image, normal images, and links. Tagbly makes it easy to create audiovisual content for those who have what to say and show, but don't have enough time or skills to do so. It allows interaction like never before, and makes it easier than ever for everyone to create content. Tagbly's technology enables much more than I showed here, and we patented it. Hit this link if you'd like to test Tagbly or want more information about it. Thank you for staying tuned.